Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Slide. Wait, not Google Slide, but Google Forms. Oh yeah, and also I'm not gonna be using camera because my cat is sitting on my bench. I mean my table, so I cannot record while my camera is on. So yeah, let's just get to the point of the video. Anyways, first thing you need to do is you need to have Google Chrome, right? There's two ways to get into Google Forms. Like you can get into Google Forms like this from typing, yeah, like this, and or you can go into here and then oh wait, never mind. I need to go to, or you can go to Drive and then I think it's in here, I believe. Oh, never mind. Where is it? Okay, I forgot, but I have tried before. Or I think it's in oh my god, bro, why? Anyways, I think let's just get into the typing thing because I forgot where I can get it instead of typing. Okay, you guys can go to Google Forms, sign in, or go to the latest Google Forms. Okay, go into the nothing one that has nothing. You guys probably are not strange to this form thing. So yeah, this if you guys want to put it in title, yeah, you can just put in here. I will give an example like easy. No, not that. No, no, not that. Okay, like that. Okay, forms like that. Okay, this is for the questions. Let's just put in like, why do you want to sign in to OK Forms? And also, it will automatically thinks what it is, like if it's a paragraph or things. I'm gonna just put it on this. Yes, cause yes, cause no, cause sport easy. Probably like that. I'm gonna remove this one. And also yes, you can just put it need to be filled, and you can you can duplicate it and then you can delete it. Let's just make a new questions. Give forms is bad, right? Probably like that, and just put it in like uh yeah uh yeah, like that. But you can put it like that again. Okay. And then another one, I'm gonna check the durations. There is like, oh, still 3 minutes. Okay. And also you guys can paint it like this. You can paint get a header too, like maybe this. Yes, it will add like that. And also you can like this. Yeah, let's add more colors. Wait, why can't we add more colors for the backgrounds? This is so trash. Legit. Okay, let's get black. My god, where is it? This is just legit trash. Oh my god, okay, let's just... Oh, yes, this is epic. So you can see what does the guy that is trying to answer it do. Also, yes. Yes, but actually, no easy like that. Yeah, leave side noob. Okay, and also if you guys want to add more a page, you can just wait, I forgot, but yes, yeah, like this. Okay, this is the second page. Nope, nope. Why you wanna join? You need to answer or else instant decline, maybe like that. Okay, let's add more questions. Haha, noob, why join? Put it like paragraph so they answer a lot, and put it like this. Yes. Yes, okay. So yeah, I think, oh, you can check the response here. Wait, let me okay, let me just wait by link. If you guys want to like shorten the URL, you can just do that and then click copy. Let's paste it in here, easy. Okay, because word easy. Yes. Yes, no. Yes. Second one. Dude, why? What? What do you mean by that? One, two. Oh, yeah. Why do you even need to add numbers? Oh, bruh. Just put it like, um, just like that. And then the second one, oh yeah. Cause board. Okay, let's just check in. Oh, there it is. Yeah, in the middle. When do you want to sign it? Okay, for because easy. Okay, I guess that's all for the video. I think. Hope you guys enjoy and like this video, and see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.